Hello students, in this video we will discuss about medians. Median is the second topic of central tendency. Medians. How to find the medians of given any data? Since in the earlier classes you have studied simple medians to find the median of simple data. Like if we single data is given and if you want to find the medians, then in this situation first we calculate how many number of observation, that means value of n, and if n equal to even number, then median is equal to n upon 2 plus 1th term. And if n equal to odd number, then median equal to n plus 1 upon 2th term. For this finding a median, first we arrange the given observation in the ascending or descending form. That means first we should be arrange the data, given data, in ascending or descending order. First we should be arrange the data in ascending or descending order, then count how many number of observations is given. If observation is even number, then median of that data will be n by 2 plus 1th term. This is not answer. This is tells that which number will be median, and if n equal to odd number, then median equal to n plus 1 upon 2th term. This is the n plus 1 whole upon 2, and this is the n by 2 plus 1 term. And the median for group data. Median for group data. First find the cumulative frequency CF, and again find the n by 2. N by 2 means half of the cumulative frequency or half of the sum of frequency. Capital N means sum of frequency. Then we can find the median, n equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H, where L equal to lower limit of median class. But how to determine which class is median class? n by 2 appear in which cumulative frequency? N by 2 appear in which cumulative frequency? That means those cumulative frequency which is just more than n by 2. Front of this cumulative frequency class will be median class, and lower of that median class will be lower limit of that median class will be L. N by 2 equal to half of CF or sum of frequency, half of sum of frequency. F is the preceding frequency, sorry, F is the frequency of median class. CF is the preceding cumulative frequency, of median class, and H equal to class size. Now, for better understanding, we will take one example. We take one numerical problem. Find median of following marks and number of students. Ten to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. Number of students are 5, 10, 2, 20, 1, 5, 9, 1, 2. This is the given data. Now we have first find what is the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means CF. CF. This is the 5 plus 10, 15, 17, 17 plus 20, 20, 37, 38, 43, 52, 53, and suppose this is 7, so this will be 60. Since n equal to 60, therefore n by 2 equal to 60 upon 2 equal to 30. Since n by 2 equal to 30 is appear in cumulative frequency 37, that means we should be select just a number which is greater than 30 in cumulative frequency. So this is the 37. Therefore, median class will be 40 to 50. Therefore, L equal to 40, F equal to 20, CF equal to preceding cumulative frequency, that means 17, and H equal to difference of upper limit and lower limit of median class, that means 50 minus 40 equal to 10, and n by 2 equal to already given here, right, 30. Calculate the median. Therefore, median marks is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Now here L is 40 plus n by 2 means 30 minus CF is 17 upon F means 20 into H means 10. 10 to the 20. This will be 40 plus 30 minus 27. This will be 13 upon 2. This will be 80 plus 13 upon 2 equal to 93 upon 2 equal to 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, 2 5 is. Therefore, median marks equal to 46.5. This is the answer. Now in the next video, we will discuss about mod.